So the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro is the new kids on the block. Look, it has some ups and downs with it, and I've been documenting a lot of it, but it has been an overall great experience for me. Really do like this phone. But you know what? In this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks on how to make your Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro a better experience. So let's have some fun. Sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. So one of the things that you can do to make your Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro more productive is utilize pen and pen input to your device. Now, this pen right here, I've been using this pen for years. I made a few videos about this pen. It has a pointed tip right here. And what I'm using right here is OneNote, but you can use any writing software that you want if you don't want to use OneNote. And so here it is, right? This pen, you can just write on the device. There it goes, right? So yes, you can utilize pen on your Pixel 7 Pro to be more productive. Now I know a lot of y'all guys might ask the question, well, easy, it doesn't fit in the device, and plus it's big, you got to carry it. Hey, listen, if you want to be more productive with your Pixel 7 Pro, here's an option that if you want to be more productive with your Pixel 7 Pro, you can utilize pen. And yes, you can jot down notes, you can open up any note software, and hey, get to work. So one of the things that annoys me about the Pixel 7 Pro is that when you hit the power button, it doesn't shut off the device. When you hit the power button, this is what happens. You get the Google Assistant. And what if you don't want the Google Assistant? What if you want to hit the power button and you want to turn off your device? Well, that's a quick fix. Go into your settings right here and go to search setting and put in power right there. Right? And go into here, system, hold power button down right here. All right. And there it goes right there at the bottom. And right here, it says press and hold power button, and it says Google Assistant. Now this out of the box, this is how it comes out of the box. So turn that off. And now if you hit the power button, hey, look at that. Now you can turn off your device, restart it, you can lock it down, or even hit it for emergency. So that is a nice tip that I would recommend out of the box if you buy Pixel 7 Pro or Pixel 7. So here's a unique trick that you can do with your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro. What if you want to tap the back of the device to take a screenshot, or tap the back of the device to open up an app? Well, you could do that with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Go to your settings, right? And go to search and search gestures in your system app. And it's going to pop up. And here it is. So by default, this is turned off. So quick tap to start action. Click on that and it kind of gives you a demonstration on how it works. Turn it on, and at default, it's going to say take a screenshot. But you could do multiple stuff here. You could show notifications. You could toggle on flashlight, or even open an app. All right. So here it is. I got it toggled on. So I'm going to take a screenshot with a case on. There it goes. It's pretty neat. All right. So that works out very well, and then you can take it and you can make all your edits. So taking a screenshot or using the tap to the back, even with a case on it, works very well on the Google Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. So what if you're a content creator and you film a lot of footage from your Pixel 7 or Pixel 7 Pro? And sometimes when you take that footage and you put it on your PC, sometimes the files it doesn't recognize the files. Or if you want to convert files to MP4 files, well, there's a way to do that. On default, when you turn on your camera app, right, go to video and you go to your settings, go to more settings. Right here, when you go to more settings, when you go to advanced, right here on default, it tried to save a lot of space on your device, by converting your video footage to H.265 or HEVC format. Well, sometimes some computers and some video software doesn't recognize this. So if you turn this off, this will store your videos in MP4 files, maybe a little bigger, but it's a MP4 file. So once you put this in your video editing software, it will recognize it. Some high-end video editing software you won't have a problem with, but some video editing software you will have a problem with. But turn this off if you want to get an MP4 file when you're recording your videos. So what if you go on the app or you're reading the article and you want to copy and paste text? And some websites, even on Twitter or maybe Reddit, you can't copy text. Well, there's a fix for that. And I'm going to show you right here. So on Reddit, let's say, for instance, I'm reading a Reddit page and I like the words here. But if I click on it, it disappears, right? So, but I want to take these texts and I want to maybe email it to myself or something like that. Well, there's a fix for that. Even if you're on Twitter, there's a fix for that. So this say I want to take this Reddit post, the words, and I want to copy it on maybe a notepad. So there's a button right here that says select. So it automatically selects the text. So I can just take that and just copy all the words that I want. Right. So let's go on and copy the words that I want right here. Copy. So it puts it in my clipboard. And what if I wanted to put it on my notepad? So here I open up my notepad, my OneNote, and I can paste it. Now there it goes. Right. So if you have on a website, or if you're on Twitter, or if you're on Reddit or some other website that restricts you from, copying and pasting text, this is an option for you. And I think it's a very neat option. So multitasking is very important on devices, right? What if you want to do two things at the same time? What if you want to open up two apps at the same time? Well, you can do that with the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. So when you go into your display, you see all your apps that's open here, right? Now, if you want to multitask, just go to YouTube. And when you click on the top of there, you have some information here. Split top, pause app. If you want to pause the app, you could do that. If you want to split top, you could just click on that. All right. Now, if you want to just say, if I want to see my Twitter, click on that. Now I have split screen. Now I can watch my YouTube video and I can read my Twitter feed all at the same time right there. So one of the questions I always get on my videos, it don't matter what device that I have, is about my active wallpaper. As you can see, it's active. I got raindrops falling down on the character here. Now, sometimes I change it to Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, all kinds of different characters. Let me show you how I do this. First, you have to download an app that's called Wallpaper. I will leave that link down in the description below. The second thing you got to do is download an image. It don't have to be Batman. It don't have to be Superman. It could be any image you want, whether or not it's something that you took from your photo gallery or maybe something you downloaded from the internet. And all these images, I just Googled it. All I did was Googled it. So what you do is once you download Wallpaper, and let me open up the app. Okay. So once you open up Wallpaper, this is how it's going to look. All right. So you click on what's called background and you have a choice. I click on my images. I want the Superman wallpaper. I just downloaded. Here it goes. So at this point, you have to edit. Like and make it nice and big. So you can edit to however you want to and hit done. And right here, customize. Now, here is where you can make all your customization. You can make it foggy, wind speed, rain chance, rain intensity, storminess, and stuff like that. So you can make all your adjustments here on the app itself. All right. Once you fix it how you want to, go back and hit activate. And it's going to ask you, and boom, that's it. Now, there it goes. Now I have Superman as my active wallpaper. So I hope you enjoyed this tips and tricks video that I put together. Hopefully you will have an awesome experience with your Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. And look, stay tuned for continuous coverage of the Pixel 7 Pro that I have right here. But if you want to see the videos that I already made about the Pixel 7 Pro, I'll put a playlist together. Click it right here. Click the playlist right here and check out all the awesome videos that I have about the Pixel 7 Pro. This is Eric. See you guys on the next video. Peace.